might not be a bright idea. All right, here we go. Matt's got a signal here. He dug it up. See what it is.
Reading 37.
37.
No, it's not on.
Oh, hell is it? Big chunk of iron?
Lock.
Oh, it's an old lock. Nice.
Oh, look at that.
Have to clean that up.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Maybe you got the key for it. All the keys you found.
Get a close up of that. That's nice.
That's old, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Must be all brass. Sweet. All right. Middle pocket time. Alright, so what I found was, let's set it down, that it's actually in the locked position, but it's broken. Right there. But the other half is inside of it. I can hear it clinking around. So if I can get the key to open it, I could probably get it off and then re-braze it on. Swamper, I need to check through your skeleton keys. I know you got some. You probably have this one. I found a little bit more writing. It says either 999 or 666 along the bottom of. Alright, if anybody knows what keys this takes, let me know. I want to get the piece out so I can re-braze it.